What's up, everybody? Chad from Central AI here. Wanted to take a second and talk about the recent agreement that was entered into by XAI, Microsoft, and Google with the White House and a possible executive order that may be coming through. So, this agreement was about the major frontier model creators to have their models evaluated and tested through CASE, which is the Center for Artificial Intelligence Standards and Innovations. Now, OpenAI and Anthropic have already been sending in their models for evaluation before the Trump administration, under the Biden administration, under their executive order that created the voluntary agreement. The general consensus has been, because of the power of mythos that Anthropic just put out, that the White House wants to take a more proactive approach. And this may look like an executive order to formalize what has already been put in the agreement. What is interesting is that on one end, this may slow down the release of artificial intelligence models from these frontier model creators, and it may also increase safety. One thing that I want to be paying attention to is when they put out the executive order, if it will include different criteria for the mandate of putting these different AI models into Casey's evaluation and testing program. Because depending on those um, criteria and those qualifications, it may include more than the big five that I have just discussed. It may include smaller models as well, which will definitely slow down some of the releases and some of the innovation that has been moving forward. And one last thought is that it's going to be very interesting to see what happens, because this will put the White House at odds with itself in its race and its mandate to stay ahead of China and in the AI race. And so the tension that is going to be created by these two things will definitely be something that is felt and will definitely let us know where the priorities are.